What's going on, lovely people? It's another day, another dollar. It's your boy Lukeman, and I want to thank you once again for taking the time out to watch this video. Well, before I go, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button so that you can always be notified whenever I drop golden videos like this. All right, so today we're going to be talking about those 3 ingredients you need to always be profitable on your ad. It does not matter where you run your ad or what kind of ad you're running. If it's Facebook, Google, YouTube, Taboola, Outprint, whatever kind of ad you're running, you need to understand these 3 key ingredients. Before I design my landing page, before I throw up any ad, I ensure that I do my due diligence in terms of research to get these 3 ingredients right, because in them lies your profit. Number 1, you've got to understand who are the people you're trying to sell to and what level of awareness are they, because this is what will determine what will be the headline and the messaging on your landing page. A lot of people do not do this. They just go ahead and research audiences, just basic like affinity and all that, and they start running ads, and it's gonna bump. Of course, people concentrate on click-through rate, quality score, but who's talking about conversion? Because these three different elements are affected by 3 different things, right? Your quality score is affected by, okay, people click onto your, or let me start from the click-through rate. Click-through rate is just a matter of your messaging on your ad, right? Your headline. As far as Google AdWords is concerned, your headline is going to be the reason why people will click, right? So your click-through rate may be as high as heaven, but your quality score is low. And the reason is because the headline on your ad is not really in congruence with the messaging on your landing page. Therefore, you're going to have a very high click-through rate, but you're going to have a very low quality score. And number 3, of course, besides quality score, of course, click-through rates, quality score, and number 3 is conversion. Why is it that your click-through rate is high, your quality score is high, but your conversion is very low? It's because even though you're able to hook people on your landing page, you're not really speaking to their problems. And that is because you do not understand the 3 core areas of customers' awareness. So when I'm running my ad, the first thing we do on a weekend like this is we get together as a team, my virtual team and those that are in the office. We get together, we design landing pages to cater to the awareness of each and every one of our audiences. How do I mean? We just separate our audiences into 3 different categories. Number 1 are those people that are just looking for education. All right, they know there's a problem, but they're not aware of the solution to the problem. People like that will be people like, what is this thing? How do you do this thing? So they know there is a problem, but they're not aware of how to do it. So those are education seekers, right? We create a landing page for them. And when I say a landing page, we actually split test that landing page, the education landing page. We split test that with, maybe 3-4 variants, right? But all of them are just for those that are seeking educations. We try different headlines and colors and placements, but all of those 4 landing pages will be for those that are seeking educations. And in there, you have the links that are leading them to the product. Those are not the people that are ready to buy, but does not mean that they're not going to buy. Okay, so those are people that are seeking educations. You've got to design a landing page that caters only to this set of people. Number 2 are those that are problem aware, but they're not sure what kind of solution to use, right? They know there are solutions out there, but they want to compare. They'll be like, what is the best something like this? What is this versus this, right? So if you're running Google AdWords, you have to look out for those kind of be able to answer that question, right? So those are people who they know there is a problem, they know there are solutions out there, but they're not sure which solution is best for them. So we create another landing page for these. And again, we have about 4 variants of that landing pages so we can split test. Number 3, which is the final one, are those they're not seeking educations. They're not really comparing solutions. They're ready to buy, but you still have to do a little bit of work to convert them because they're not just going to throw their money out there. So those are people, I call them the action takers. They're ready to buy right now. And of course, the keyword will tell you that as well. If you go into Google Keyword Planner, it will tell you what are those people that are actually ready to buy right now. And some of them may also start their search by the best this and best green juice, best vegetable for green juice. So I mean, or something like, how much is something? These people are ready to buy, right? which is the best price for something. Those people are ready to buy. We design a different landing page for those people, and we make sure that we split test that landing page with about 3 or 4 variants as well to ensure that we catch them using all angle possible. So the tools that I use to make this easy for me, because this you can actually do in one day and you're done, and the next day you can start running ad. With the tools that I use to make this possible for me, of course, I've mentioned one of them. Number one is the Google Keyword Planner, and it's free to open a Google AdWords account, throw in the keywords, let Google suggest to you what people are looking for. This, my friend, it's a very, very important and extremely helpful tool. Number two, I use SEMrush. There are 4 million marketers out there that use SEMrush because it is just a fantastic tool. Not only does it show you the popularity of keywords, it shows you the ad that your competitors are running, and of course how long they've been running it and what the landing pages and messages look like. You can look at this to actually come up with your own hook, and it also shows you gaps, like what they could have done right, which they're not doing, and you can capitalize on that to increase your profitability. And of course, another one that I use is ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels for all my landing pages because it makes things so easy for me. Not only can I split test several landing pages at once, it allows me, if I come up with an idea in the middle of the night, I can get up without waiting on any of my staff or my developers. I can throw up a landing page, very simple one, add my PDF or my e-course, whatever to it, and just start running ad. So if you want links to each and every one of these tools, you can click below this video to get those tools. And if you don't have ClickFunnels right now, click below the video, get the 14-day trial. I actually have ready-made landing pages that you can use. Once you get ClickFunnels, through the link below, just send me an email at lookmyviral@media.com. I'm going to send you about 30 ready to go landing pages that you can start split testing. You can start using for your ad right now. Not only that, I'm also going to give you a free invitation to my closed inner circle where we discuss funnel, traffic, and of course conversion, and you learn more about customer journey and of course customer mindset and how to use that to increase your profitability inside that group. Again, it's called Unlimited Traffic, Funnel, and Conversion. We are on Facebook, and of course once you click on the link below, you buy your ClickFunnels, send me that receipt. Of course, I'm going to invite you for free into that group, and I will send you about 30 different landing pages that you can start using that was designed inside of ClickFunnels. So if you have any question or you're really confused, just do not know where to start from, and really all these things that I've discussed work for each and everything you're doing online. If you're selling coaching, you're selling e-commerce, you're selling affiliates marketing, or whatever you're doing online, you've got to understand these 3 different customer mindset to be able to approach them based on their needs, and from there you're going to see a high increase in your profitability. Stop wasting money, take your time, do the research, use these tools, and I guarantee the story will not be the same. So if you have any questions, do not forget to send me a message down here or just hit me up inside our Facebook group, Unlimited Funnel, Traffic, and Conversion. And again, do not forget to, while you're waiting, to subscribe to this channel and give me that like button, okay? Until next time when I be coming your way, keep selling before you get sold.